Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how I made this healthy toddler approved combo: granola, potato puree and sweet date pap. It's nourishing, it's simple, and your little one is going to love every spoonful. Let's get into it. Just sit back, watch and relax. And at the end of the video, don't forget to like, share and share your thoughts in the comments. Bye. See you in my next video.